AD Ports Group's Maqta gateway acquires TTEK, and Bitcoin's projected to hit $100,000. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Maqta Gateway, the online arm of AD Ports Group, has acquired TTEK Inc., which develops technology for optimizing customers and border processing. The $26.7 million acquisition will extend Maqta Gateway's existing digital trade solutions portfolio with the support of border optimization management solutions, which utilize AI, machine learning, and risk analytics. Officials say TTEK's solutions use over 1.5 million risk indicators and AI predictive modeling to establish more reliable border security controls. India's Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone has started a buyback program of certain debt securities of up to $130 million to prepay part of its near-term loans and show that its liquidity position is comfortable. Adani Ports has floated a cash tender of 3.375% maturity dollar-denominated bonds due in 2024. As the Adani Group aims to regain investor confidence. The debt buyback marks the first by Indian billionaire Gautam Adani's conglomerate since a short seller targeted it in January. Credit Suisse says $68 billion in assets left the bank in Q1, and it says outflows are continuing. It highlights the challenge faced by UBS Group in rescuing its rival. Credit Suisse says these outflows have moderated but have not yet reversed. It also says it saw significant cash withdrawals as well as non-renewal of maturing time deposits. Clients rapidly started pulling money from Credit Suisse after it was ensnared in the banking market turmoil unleashed by the collapse of U.S. lenders. U.S. oil refiners are expected to post higher Q1 earnings in the coming days on strong fuel exports and margins, even as domestic diesel demand slumped during the quarter. Refiners have been riding a wave of favorable pricing and demand as pandemic-era closing boosted margins. Alternating periods of higher demand for products have also helped, with jet fuel recently sprinting higher as diesel fell off. But in the second quarter, analysts say earnings will be less impressive as demand dims. Top crypto Bitcoin could reach $100,000 by the end of 2024. That's according to Standard Chartered analysts who say the so-called crypto winter is over. Bitcoin could gain from factors including recent turmoil in the banking sector, a stabilization of risk assets as the U.S. Federal Reserve ends its rate hiking cycle, and improved profitability of crypto mining. They say while sources of uncertainty remain, they think the pathway to the $100,000 level is becoming clearer. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. And it's a quiet day for the world's billionaires, with our biggest winner today, the co-founder of Chinese EV maker BYD, Wang Chunfu, is up $789 million with a net wealth of $19.7 billion. Our second biggest winner today is the world's wealthiest person, LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $889 million with net worth of $244.1 billion. And our third place winner is Swiss shipping mogul Klaus Michael Koine, up $675 million with net wealth of $42.7 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. And China will explore using 3D printing technology to construct buildings on the moon. The official China Daily reports it's part of Beijing's plans for long-term lunar habitation. China made its first lunar landing in 2013, and it plans to land an astronaut on the moon by 2030. China's Chang'e 8 probe will conduct on-site lunar investigations of the environment and mineral composition, and it will determine whether technologies like 3D printing can be deployed on the lunar surface. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.